was gave me very sad news that last night a bus belonging to Opit travelers traveling from Kampala to Guru had a head-on collision with an actual trailer in the Bobby at around 9:30 p.m. that night. And according to preliminary reports at the Guru police, 15 people have been confirmed dead and 24 sustained injuries. I know the Right Honorable Prime Minister usually intervenes, and government, you know what to do. Road safety is a very, very, very big issue. We've lost colleagues here before, we've lost relatives, we've lost our constituents, we've lost many people. It is an issue which all of us need to come and put our hands together to see how best we can promote road safety. And in the meantime, honorable colleagues, I request you that we stand up and observe a minute of silence for the victims.
May their souls rest in eternal peace.
Honorable colleagues, our system for clocking in is working. We are now taking cognizance of your presence in the house. So please don't enter the house without registering. The systems are on the door, and you know the repercussions of missing the house for 15 times without the permission of the presiding officer. So please, Honorable Zake wants to hear it properly. Yes. That if you miss a house 15 times, you risk losing your seat if you do it without the permission of the presiding officer. Now, those who are not able to come here physically, our rules provide for virtual attendance of the house. So, and once you attend virtually, whoever attends virtually, we record. Okay, we put it in the records of parent. So, if you're not able to attend here, please attend virtually. And the rules that apply to physical attendance apply to virtual attendance. At the induction, I was telling colleagues, they were asking me about procedures and all that. We always send logins every day because we don't want, and this is a secure login because we don't want strangers to attend the house. Number two, you must be dressed formally. I don't want you to attend the session when you're digging or you're in a car traveling, moving. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and you're in a room where you are only and only you, because we don't want strangers to tag on and attend the house. You submit